Guys, Manager7 here and welcome back to another video. So today it's Thursday, so it's another update video. So I'm about to see what the updates are. It's a total new reaction. I didn't see any videos or anything about it. So yeah, let's do it. Oh my god, okay. So a Spring Cottage. I am not looking what's in this issue, but let's do it. So the Spring Cottage. The Spring Cottage, Jamal's newest den, is the perfect place for you and your buddies to celebrate spring. Pick yours up in the diamond shop today. Graham's Workshop. Graham's. Collect resources and craft them into tons of amazing items in this fun adventure that is for all jammers. Yeah, fun. Oh my god. 200 buddies. Can't even. Getting new buddies around Jamal is easier than ever because now every gamer can have up to 200 buddies in their buddy list. Oh my god, I am so happy. Ugh. Okay, rock outfit. Live the life of a rock star with a okay. Your party. I seriously love this party. It's so fun. Oh my god. Okay, so you're invited to the party. The sunny summer, whatever. Have you heard whenever you play, hop, or do anything action, your pets will do the action too. Yeah! Okay, so hyenas are returning. Summer Carnival is almost back. I'm so happy, guys. This is like the best update ever. Why is it not giving my daily spin? But alright, I got a janagram. Okay. Oh my. Wait, what? Alright. Buddies. Oh! Now you could just like do this. Let's see. Yeah. That's a little cool. Yeah, that's really cool. Uh, oh my god. So happy. Anyways, is there anything new? Anything else? Trade list? No. We got something else new, but I am so happy. Alright, the I don't have enough diamonds, but we're gonna still check it out. Today. No. Oh my god. 7 diamonds. Okay, I'm gonna preview it because I haven't seen it. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Oh my god, so cute and adorable. It's kind of small. Like, would you recommend a small den? Why? Why did you trade me this? And I already have that, so yeah, this is kind of small. No, it's really cute. There's a whole other part to it. Never mind, it's not small. I might want to buy this next because gazebo right away. I know somebody else might be doing this like a gazebo right there, but like that's like the best place to do it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, these updates are awesome. I have to say that. These these are updates, right? Okay. Updates are awesome. I'm like, oh, not even saying anything. Let me speak, please. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm really so happy. Did anything else come out new? 10 items. Ooh, Egyptian sphinx. I never saw that. Here. Nope, nothing new here, but hmm, yeah. I am so happy. I'm just gonna walk up and see if it does anything new when you just buy somebody. You never know. Load. 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 Okay, I'm gonna reload the page. And yeah. Load. Oh. God. Oh. Okay. Half of this video is gonna be me playing this game. If you guys don't know, that is a game. And it just randomly just like we're so bad at this. 100. I know this is like not a big deal for anybody, but I mean, good. Mana. Nano 07. And then my password, which you guys will not see. Oh, right in caps. I'm so happy. Okay, in LA. Not going. Is they bring anything new in that Eagle shop? Like nobody even goes up there. It's set. Okay, good. Oh God. Okay. God, this is. Okay. I guess my internet's not working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.